Hi, Kyle.
Hi.
What do you have?
A harmonica.
A harmonica? What color is it?
Green.
Green. How did you get that harmonica?
What's this?
How did you get that harmonica? Do you know how you got it?
Apples.
No, Mommy just gave it to you. Why did you get it?
Um.
What did you do that was good? You gotta back up or I can't see you. There you go. Now I can see you. You dancing? Kyle, what did you do to get that? Do you remember? Did you go on the potty?
Yeah.
What did you do on the potty?
Pee.
You went pee-pee, but you said you had to go, right?
Mommy, I want to
You want? Okay, can you say bye to everybody?
Bye.
Say I'll talk to you later.
I'll talk later.
Blow kisses. Hey, that was pretty good.
Mommy, watch me.
Okay. That's pretty good. Are you gonna turn it off?
Mm-hmm.
This one. It is this one. No, it's this one.